Welcome to video lecture on Computer Communication Network Laboratory. Myself, Dr. Siddhingappa Gowda Biradar, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, DSATM, Bangalore.
Sixth experiment here is implementation of a link state routing protocol. It's a wired protocol. We'll see how to implement. Before implementing, we'll see the network structure of it. This is a network in which it consists of 5 nodes. A node is a source node which is connected to UDP, and CBR node 4, that is E, is connected to null. Between each nodes a link cost is applied. You can see 1, 2, 1. Between B and D there is a 3. Between A and D it is 3. So these are the costs that are applied to a node here. Manually we have applied a cost. Based on this cost it will decide the shortest path. There are multiple paths from source to destination. You can see the packet can move from A to B, B to D, D to E, or A to C, C to B, B to D, D to E, A to directly D and E, A to C, C to B, B to D, D to E. Multiple paths are there, but this link state algorithm, it will calculate the total cost of the link and then which is having a lowest cost. Through that path the data has been transmitted. Let's see here how it is going to transmit. Let's implement here. I'll try to implement in a Ubuntu. I'll show you how to implement it. Just open. Go to wired scenario. Zoom out. We'll see the link network and not N1 and not N1. Then C, that is N2, D, N3, N2, N3, N4. To this I am going to connect a link, that is I'll make a source connection. UDP I will connect here. This I will make a null connection. Application CBR I am going to connect. This is a network. I need to connect the agent. Here I can't apply the cost. I will apply the cost when once I save the file here. We can't apply here in this software. Just I will name it as P6, last program P6, here same as P6, then done, TCL. Code is generated. I will save this code in the in the drive. File name I will give as lab6 6.tcl. Save. Right, now the program has been saved. Here is a lab6 program. To this I need to add a cost value, so I will add a cost value. I have a cost value here. These are the cost values which I have assigned to the link here. Once if you assign the cost value, then assign the protocol which is used here. copy. I'll assign the time here as 9 here. There it is assigned as the simulation stop time is 10 seconds. The program is same again. 5 nodes I have used. This is again tr file, nam file definition, object defining. 10 simulation time is 10 here. For 5 nodes we have used, link is there, duplex link. Cost we have applied, you can see n0 to n1. What is the cost here? n0 is a, b is a, n1, cost is 2 here. Then similarly n0 to n0 to n2, n0 to n2 here is c, here cost is 1. You can see cost is 1. And reverse way also we have applied, n0 to n1 is 2 and n2 to n0 is again 1. Both the ways we have applied the cost, because here you can see the data can transfer in reverse way also, that is the packet can be transmitted from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, or packet can be transmitted from A to C, C to D, D, E. Two ways, from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. A to C, C to B. Both the ways the packet can be transmitted. That's why we have assigned the cost on both the side. Then I will execute this file here. I will save it. Same way. Just I will execute NS Lab 6. So this is a animation. You go to edit option, you can drag it. You can see I have already calculated the values here. How many paths are there, which path it is going to follow. You can see totally 4 paths are there. If you see the network, n0 to n1, total cost here is 7. n0 to n2, n1, n3, n5. If you see this diagram, same diagram I have implemented with the same cost, right? You can see there the total network here is n0 to n1, n1 to n2, n2 to n3, n3 to n4. It is 7 value, right? 2 to 4, 5, then plus 2, 7. Then you can see n0 to n2, n2 to n0, n2, n3, n4. You can see the lowest cost is n2, n0, n2, n3, n4. This A to B, C, C to D, D to E. Total it is 4. So this link state algorithm calculate the total cost. Total paths are 4. Cost is this value. So this link state routing protocol, it will follow the lowest cost path, that is n0, n2, n3, n4. Shortest according to the link state routing protocol here is n0, n2, n3, n4. So this cost value can be applied randomly. There is no any condition, strict condition that you should apply the cost value 0 within 10 numbers and all. It's random, you can choose any value, and along with this you need to add a cost, this routing protocol here, RT proto ls. Ls indicates the link state routing protocol. Then run this program. Once if you run the program, you can see that you'll get an animation. Just play it. You can see packets are transmitted from, I'll execute once again. Go to edit option, just click on a play button. You can see packets are transmitting from n0 to n2, n2 to n3, n3 to n4, because that is the shortest path based on the cost value, right? So this is how the routing protocol, link state routing protocol, it is going to follow the shortest path. You see n0, n2, n3, n4. The same program if I execute in Windows, it is going to show the error. That's why I use the Ubuntu. You can see same program, same thing I have written here, but it's showing error, so I showed you the execution in a Ubuntu. You can see 6th experiment program, slab 6, same experiment I have written here, but it's showing some error. Same link cost I have applied, and link protocol. CD I'll show you. NS lab 6.tcl. so it's showing some error there, so that's why I use the Ubuntu. This is how you can create and run the 6th program. 6th program is a link state protocol program, wherein which you need to use this link state protocol and execute the file, that is TCL script. Here our program intention is to calculate the shortest path based on the cost. We are going to assign a cost. Based on this cost, it will find the path which is having a lowest cost, and the packets are transmitted through that path only. This is what the link state routing protocol. Link state is nothing but based on the cost of the link, it is going to find the shortest path and transmit the packet through that path. This is what all about the 6th experiment. Thanks for watching the video.